If you want to charge your Xiaomi Watch 5, then of course you should use the included charger, which you should be able to find inside the box of your Xiaomi Watch 5. Over here we have the USB cable, which we need to use to connect to anything that provides power via USB. Now this can be, ideally, it should be the charger or power adapter. So for example, this one. This is perfect because, of course, we have the USB-A port, so it fits perfectly. Maybe the other way around, actually. There we go. So as you can see, it works. And in case you have a charger that is USB-C or it has USB-C port, then you might need to use an adapter that simply converts USB-A to USB-C. So, for example, something like this. In theory, this also can be used to connect then the charger connected to the smartphone, so then you can charge your smartwatch with your smartphone, although using a normal charger or power adapter is just simply faster and more efficient. So, of course, we plug it into the power. Now here on the back of the watch, we have our contact points, which of course we can use, or actually we should use, in order to connect the charger. Over here we have pins, so we need to simply connect them together. It should be immediately connected, just like that, and as you can see, we are indeed charging. And this point is, or points actually are magnetic, so there shouldn't be any problem with connecting the charger to the smartwatch. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.